Hey gut feeder champ, if you're dealing with constipation, chronic constipation, you have likely already consumed or at least heard of this tea, of the natural tea that is hyped, yes, the best thing ever, put in all kinds of weight loss teas. Nobody talks about the dangers though, and this tea is Senna tea. Now let's talk about why Senna is such an issue for constipation, despite all the hype and the proven benefits of Senna tea. First of all, constipation is a warning sign from your body. It's a signal. And Senna tea doesn't address the root cause. It just elevates the problem short term, but doesn't force you to really look deep into what's going on in your body and where your body needs help. Now, if you're not thinking like, yeah, but what's causing my constipation? Let me know if you want me to make an in-depth video about the root causes of constipation so you can check yourself for which one might be the case for you. Just put in the comments below, yes, Peggy, root cause video. And if I get enough responses, I'm happy to produce a video for you. On the short note, a few causes for constipation: sluggish, overburdened liver, doesn't produce enough bile, medication overuse, microbiome imbalance, you have too many toxins in your body, dehydration in general, the list just goes on and on. As I just mentioned, dehydration. Another problem with Senna tea is that it's deeply dehydrating. If you're dealing with constipation, you're likely already dehydrated, and now Senna flushes your bowels out, which is great if you have a colonoscopy and really need that bowel to be clean, but long-term, as a long-term constipation patient, a disaster. Also, because Senna is so effective, it's often abused. It's often abused as a laxative over extended periods of time, and then as the body adjusts to everything because it's smart, you have worse constipation than ever before if you stop taking Senna because your body gets dependent on it. Before I come to the last thing, if you really want to address your constipation long-term and naturally and want to address the root causes, highly recommend you to check out the free gut healing cheat sheet where I give you 6 simple tips where you can start, make the first step, do something that for sure is good for your body, and then take it from there. It's a little poster that you can print out, put on your fridge. You can also do those steps together with your family, and you can download it by clicking up here in the description below. The last danger I want to mention here with using Senna tea is your electrolyte balance. Think about it this way. Senna, just as caffeine, sorry coffee lovers, I love coffee too, I love the smell, everything, but is like living on a credit card. You get energy or you get your bowel movement really quick by just taking that one thing, but then you pay back the bank, which is your body, with interest, meaning your body suffers long term. In the case from Senna, it's especially potassium, which can lead to a variety of health issues, some of them as severe as seizures. You might just feel more fatigue, muscle spasm, muscle weakness, an irregular heartbeat, anxiety. All of these can be signs that Senna has caused an electrolyte imbalance in your body. Now, 2 things to do. Get that gut healing cheat sheet if you haven't done it yet. And after that, watch this video here and learn more about what to do to heal constipation naturally.